Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss what is Power BI. So Power BI is a business analytics service provided by Microsoft. It allows you to visualize data and generate insights from that data with the help of very simple interface to create reports and dashboards. Also, Power BI can be connected to different data sources. So there are three stages in Power BI. The first stage is data preparation and analysis. This stage includes connecting Power BI to a data source, data cleaning like deleting columns, change formatting, etc. Here, analysis refers to performing different types of calculations in Power BI. The next stage is visualization. This stage includes presenting the data in the form of various simple tables, line charts, column charts, bar charts, maps, and various other visualizations in Power BI. And the last stage is collaboration and sharing, which includes sharing Power BI files within your organization and also outside your organization.